Hi, this is homilychart. I'm Tanya. Today we're going to learn complex head and shoulders. It looks like this. In an uptrend, rise up to a high place and form some tops. If we connect the lows between the highs, then we'll get a line. This line is called neckline. And if we look at this picture, it looks like one head and one left shoulder, two right shoulders. So we call one head and multi-shoulders. If price downward cross this neckline, that means one head and multi-shoulders formed. The trend will reverse from uptrend to downtrend. So here, this is a sell point. In an uptrend, price up to a high place and form some tops. If we connect the lows between the tops, then we'll get a line. This line is called neckline. Above the line, we see there are four tops. It looks like two heads and one left shoulder, one right shoulder. So we call double heads and shoulders. If price downward cross the neckline, that means double heads and shoulders formed. The trend will reverse from uptrend to downtrend. So here, this is a sell point. In an uptrend, price up to a high place and form some tops. If we connect the lows between the tops, then we'll get a line. This line is called neckline. Above the neckline, we see there are three tops. So we can call it three tops. Also, we can call multiple tops. If price downward cross this neckline, that means multiple tops formed. The trend will reverse from uptrend to downtrend. So here, this is a sell point. Look at this case. In an uptrend, price up to a high place and form some tops. If we connect the lows, then we get the neckline. Above we see there are three heads and one shoulder. So this is one kind of complex heads and shoulders. Once price downward break to this neckline, then here, this is a sell point. The trend will reverse from uptrend to downtrend. Look at this case. In an uptrend, price up to a high place and form some tops. If we connect the lows between the tops, then we'll get a line. This line is called neckline. Above the neckline, we find some tops. It looks like one head and one left shoulders and three right shoulders. So this is a type of complex heads and shoulders. Once price downward break to the neckline, then here, this is a sell point. The trend will reverse from uptrend to downtrend. Today we learned complex heads and shoulders that we combine with trend line. Because in most cases, for example, complex heads and shoulders top, they will appear at the top and they will appear after breaking through the upward trend line. The effective breakthrough of the neckline marks the formation of a complex head and shoulders pattern. If it doesn't break through, then pattern failed. Better combined with volume. In the formation of top patterns, the volume is always shrinking. If you want to learn more about stock knowledge, welcome follow my Telegram channel.